It's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make bread crumbs. So guys, come along with me. I will be using bread loaf, oregano, black pepper, ginger powder, lastly garlic powder. I will toast until it's dry. Finally, breadcrumbs is ready for thickening, stuffing, baking, and many more. For storage, keep in an airtight container, refrigerate, and use while it lasts. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.